This is the channel's new 1987 Ford Merkur. I think I'm pronouncing it right. It is a 2.3 liter turbocharged, like 4-cylinder. It's 5-speed manual, rear-wheel drive. It's been sitting in a field for 3 years. Body looks in pretty good shape. Paint looks okay. Looks like just a clear coat is faded. Obviously we're gonna have to probably reseal this up a little bit. So now all we gotta do is I'm gonna lift this car up about a foot, and we're gonna tie a strap to that. We're just gonna drag this out slowly. All right guys, so as you can tell, I got the engine and transmission out from the subframe. I didn't show the process because nobody in their right mind should ever do that. It runs a little rough, it has a little well, here we are, side of the road. It was running pretty good, and then all of a sudden it just quit, died. A lot of smoke came out of the exhaust, a lot of white smoke came out of the exhaust, and now all it does is, yeah, so I'm pretty sure it locked up. Here's my rescue. We left off yesterday at the side of the road because I thought I locked the engine up, but it turns out that it just hydro-locked itself. I believe a bunch of fuel, stuck injector, something like that. Hey guys, I hope you like that little reminisce montage of videos that I set up. Basically, I wanted to start from day one I bought the car, and then kind of just show you guys all the troubles and problems I had, which led me to basically giving up on the car and getting rid of things that I wish I didn't get rid of. A couple things are like a radiator and a transmission. So if anybody has a T9 that they want to send me, even though it won't last very long, it will definitely have to be upgraded very soon with the route that we're going to be going, which you'll see later on in the video. But I just wanted to kind of show you, like I said, when I picked up the car, some of the things that I did to the car, and there's actually a lot more that I didn't go through and put in there, which we're going to be redoing all of it anyways. We're going to be redoing the whole car. But I hope you guys enjoy the rest of this video. Now watch to the end, and if you guys haven't already, hit that subscribe button and that bell icon so you can keep following this build. As you can tell, the Merkur is not here, but the engine is here, and I 3D printed these little block off plates so power wash this engine off, because I'm going to try to make it look nice, and we're going to go through the whole thing in the next video for next week. I do have the turbo off because we are switching turbos. We're going to do a new turbo manifold with an external wastegate and a larger turbo, because we're going to be going standalone ECU, which is all the future stuff, so I'll get into that later when it comes to the point. But if you guys don't remember the last video, I got the car running, drove it like 2 blocks, and then it just completely locked up. It hydro locked, I'm pretty sure, or something, because I pulled the spark plugs out, cranked it, fuel came out, and then there was no compression on there whatsoever. So either we got a stuck injector, which I just sourced some new injectors that are reman injectors, same brown top, but I think we're gonna go with the bigger injector with the bigger turbo anyways. We're gonna pull the head off, check the gasket, but I believe, if you can't see this, I didn't take this timing belt off. It kind of just like slipped off, just sitting for that long period of time somehow, or I don't know how that happened, but it slipped off. But out of everything on this engine, I replaced all the gaskets, head gasket, valve cover gasket, all the gaskets. I checked the cylinder walls, everything was good. Checked the bearings and all that stuff, everything was good. And the only thing I didn't replace was the timing belt. So this car being a 33-year-old engine, I'm assuming that was the problem. That's why we lost complete compression across the board, because it was 0 on all 4 cylinders. and that doesn't just happen. And we got a lot of things to replace because the car's been sitting, so that brand new clutch that has 10 miles on it is just a pile of rust, and that's not going to work anymore. And then I don't know how far this is going to go, but hopefully it turns out pretty cool. So if you guys are interested in this video and you want to see more Merkur content, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up, and next week you guys will see the teardown and possibly a bad engine. I don't know. Stay different. I see you guys next time.